AI offers powerful ways to boost visibility and sales for your side hustle with minimal effort. Here are 5 practical strategies to get started. 1. Content creation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate blog posts, social media captions, and email newsletters tailored to your audience. This speeds up production while keeping your brand voice consistent, helping you post more frequently to attract followers. For example, input your product details to create engaging product descriptions in seconds. 2. Social media management. Leverage AI platforms such as Buffer, Hootsuite, or SocialBee to schedule posts, analyze engagement, and suggest optimal times. Automate content repurposing, like turning blog posts into reels or carousels, to grow your reach efficiently. Start by offering this as a service or applying it to your own profiles for quick traffic gains. 3. Visual design. Tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, or Adobe Firefly let you create professional logos, flyers, and ads without design skills. Generate eye-catching thumbnails or branding kits to promote your hustle on platforms like Instagram or Etsy. This levels the playing field, making your promotions stand out to potential customers. 4. Ad optimization. AI-driven platforms like Google Ads or Meta's tools optimize campaigns by targeting the right audience and adjusting bids automatically. Test ad copy variations generated by Claude or ChatGPT to find high-converting messages fast. Track performance in real time to maximize ROI on a small budget. 5. Personalized marketing. Build chatbots with no-code AI tools for customer FAQs, lead capture, or personalized recommendations on your site. Use AI to segment email lists and send tailored offers, increasing conversions from your existing contacts. This creates a 24/7 sales funnel that nurtures leads while you focus on your core hustle. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more informative and engaging content.